everyone, welcome to CACS. In this video, we'll be breaking down how AI has been shaped, like how India has been shaping from back office the AI revolution. That how AI has been contributing towards our daily life, or in job, or in healthcare, agriculture, and in everything, in it towards improving towards and inclusion. On the occasion of Rath Yatra, CACS brings you 25% discount on all courses. So we will this. What is AI? So, what is AI? AI refers to the ability of machine or the computer systems to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. It is like uh, give advice to the computer to act like a human. Then these tasks include learning, reasoning, problem solving, language understanding, and image recognition, decision making, and prediction. Now, how it works, we'll see that also. First, what are the important forms of AI? Types of AI. That is, first is machine learning, which says systems learn patterns from data. If we give data to the systems, it will learn it. That is machine learning. In deep learning, neural networks for complex tasks like vision and speech. Now we'll see it in later slides also. Natural language processing. That is, through different platforms or different tools, we can the translation of language to understand and generate the language. Then computer vision, which enables machines to interpret images and videos. Now generative AI, which everyone is using right now through ChatGPT, Claude, generative AI. Then even AI has been contributing towards the robotics technology. So robotics AI combines AI with mechanical tasks. Now see how AI works. So first we'll give data, then data to the computer will give, then what it does, the machine learning, that is the brain of the AI, does all the processing, that is its neural networks, then the data processing and analysis takes place, then it gives the decision making and output. This is a loop which is going on, that is data is given, data input, then machine learning, then data processing, then decision making, which leads to real world application, that is automation, interaction, prediction, and analysis. So now this PPT you can get it in the Telegram channel of CACS. First, then we'll see how the AI has evolved since timeline. Timeline is 1950 रे Turing test कोटे propose हेतिला, which said first AI programs was developed, and then back to, if take to 2020 or 2014, the generative adversarial network was produced. Then in 2022 ChatGPT was launched, and in 2023 generative AI boom has taken place, which says that major companies or technological companies have updated their system AI model. Now key components, we have learned it through the types of AI, and now applications. What are the applications of AI? Also we'll see it. Now what are the applications of AI? That is healthcare, that is personalized medicine. Then in finance, algorithmic trading. In transportation, AI helps in autonomous vehicles. In marketing and customer support ପାଇଁ भी chatbots अच्छी. Then education ପାଇଁ भी AI help करे through personalized tutoring. Then agriculture crop monitoring, cyber security threat detection, energy smart grid management, and even consumption forecasting. It tracks it gives benefit AI. Then what are the concerns? We will see the concerns also. The concerns are deepfakes, and the misinformation, algorithmic bias, automation and job displacement, privacy issues are there, data ownership and liability issues, then ethical decision. Even AI lacks in ethical decision making, because how human can give a ethical decision, AI cannot do that. So it is lacking it. That's why there are concerns for that. Now, what are regulating AI? First is Global Partnership on AI, which launched in 2020. Then Bechi Declaration 2023. Then G20 Leaders Declaration 2023. then even Hiroshima AI process 2023 by G7. Now jito G7 aschi, we have discussed G7 summit in our previous videos in 2026 which has been conducted, said about the major core themes thila taro AI. Okay, now India and AI ro kono link achi, that is National Strategy for AI 2018 and AI for All initiative, that is a self-learning online program, and India AI Mission 2024, even US India AI initiative bhi niya hai ji for AI cooperation between countries. Then Airavat says through the research and development analytics and knowledge assimilation platform gives a edge to the development of supercomputer. Amar ebe supercomputers achandi like Param, Siddhi, all these are supercomputers. Now we'll discuss about something about India AI mission. India AI mission launched in 2024 with an outlay of 10,371 crore under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Make India a global hub for making AI in India and making AI work in India. Now, what it did, that is, it placed graphics processing unit and 7 core pillars it has given, that which aims to democratize AI access, foster inclusive growth or inclusive sector-wide growth. Now, what are the 7 pillars? We'll be seeing it also. First pillar is India AI Compute, enhancing computational power. Then India AI Dataset, says AI Kosh. It is a data repository. The data will be there. Then India AI Future builds human ready capital through the startup re AI help hobo. Then safe and trusted AI, which I said ethical issues ache, so ethical and secure AI use. Then India AI Innovation Center, obviously ete sabu jinso hoche research or collaboration bhi to kichi hobo, so India AI Innovation Center bhi hobo. Then India AI Application Development for sectoral AI solution, sectors by solutions find career. Then India AI startup financing through funding and global support for AI startups. Now India AI Impact Summit. It has been conducted February 2026. So this also becomes a very important thing related to India and AI. Now, theme kon thila Sarvajana Hitaya, Sarvajana Sukhaya, which means welfare for all and happiness for all. Now, there are 3 sutras. What are the 3 sutras? People, planet and progress. People, planet, progress re kaun aschi, that is developing AI that empowers citizens, healthcare, education and financial inclusion. And planet re using AI for sustainable practices and for climate resilience. Planet re kaun asibo. Then progress, how it will progress towards it for economic growth, governance and public service delivery. Now we'll see the chakras, the 7 chakras which India AI Summit Impact Summit has placed. 7 chakras are human capital. The 7 chakras are, first is human capital, excellence and innovation and efficiency, then is democratizing AI resources, then AI for economic and development good, science, safe and trusted AI, inclusion and social empowerment. These are the 7 chakras. These are important for the mains who are writing mains right now. So do know the 7 chakras so that you can write it through the diagram or through flowchart. Now, impact what are the jodi kichi submit hochi, then they will be expecting some outcome from it also. So what will be the expected outcomes of the India AI Summit? We'll see, that is present AI uses in public service delivery, developing AI policies, then strengthen policy frameworks, demonstrate readiness for AI driven industries and even create employment opportunities, center-state collaboration, amplify regional AI awareness and long-term partnership. These are the expected outcomes. This is only related to the summit, you can say. Now, here we'll see now how AI has been applied in healthcare sector. We'll go in precise way. For in surgery, robotic surgery, Da, Da Vinci robot has been built for the robotic surgeries. Now, for research and protein structure designing, a system is built, that is protein SGM, for protein designing. For protein designing. Now, in public health surveillance, media disease surveillance has been done. Media disease surveillance has been done, and it is a EWS based, that is early warning system based surveillance, which says about the AI scan, based on AI scans, AI scans, national digital news. Now, now we see the diagnostic and screening. Diagnostic और screening रे कौन हुए? मधु नेत्र अच्छी, मधु नेत्र डॉट एआई से कौन करे? डायबिटिक पेशेंट मानकर रेटिनल स्कैन करे. Diabetes retinal screening is done through Madhu Netra. Now oncology.ai रे कौन हुए? It detects the cancer of the patients. Now health records भी रहिबो digitally हमें move करचु, so AI also helps. There are tools which helps in placing health records. So the tools are ICA Doc and Snow.ai. All these are the tools for creating health records. Now startups are Wadhwani AI. Now Ayush Genomic and Ayush Grid. What it does? It identifies the disease through ancient text. So Ayurveda re bhi AI asilani. Now National Health Stack kona, what it gives? National Health Analytics Platform. Okay. Now even ethical guidelines pai, even ICMRB the learning for contribute for the माने AI को innovation करिया पे healthcare sector है. Ethical guidelines पे भी CA establish कर लेनी. Now if globally if we see how AI has been influenced or applicable in healthcare sector, even in Finland there are wearable monitors for the real-time visits of the patients and their visitors. So these are all about the applications of AI in healthcare. Now if we go through AI in governance, how AI has been helping in governance sector. So how AI has been helping in governance sector, that is through governance it has been helping through NEGP, that is National E-Governance Plan 2.0, or the E-Kranti, we can say, that is the India's E-Kranti initiative, which aims to provide electronic delivery of services to citizens. Aims to provide electronic delivery of services to citizens. Okay, what services, in what sectors? Services of healthcare, agriculture, education, or services, all the service sector also. And India AI mission, what we have discussed earlier. Then India AI governance guidelines has also been provided by the government, so that the governance can be done in an ethical and responsible way. SubSAR, which gives government service delivery platform. It is a government service delivery platform. Now Bhashini, what Bhashini? Bhashini is a translation of the text in the languages. That is language translation platform, speech to speech. Now it is help in governance, how AI helps in the governance sector. Now if we see how AI helps in agriculture sector, through pest management, that is early warning system using National Pest Surveillance System. Okay, this has been introduced in agri-tech or precision robotics and automation. Sagu Bagu project gote karahaichi for efficient planting and harvesting. And what it does, planting of, mainly it has done in Andhra Pradesh, planted 7,000 saplings of chili. Saplings of chili, Andhra Pradesh. A project द्वारा. Now, national smart farming रे कौन है जी? Bharat Vistar data for crop performance analysis. Uh, it is for precision farming. Okay. Now, support system like chatbots, like that we can say. Sun E-Mitra platform is there, provide help or support to the or training of the farmers. Now, AI for AI, that is AI agriculture innovation for AI, or it is by WEF. WEF, that is World Economic Forum, has introduced. Then crop insurance pai we have seen, that is AI for crop prediction pai Yes Tech system, Yes Tech could introduce karaichi, and Cropic. It is not crops, it is Cropic. For real time processing of the crops or prediction of it, this AI has been in agriculture. Now, in computer and mass literacy, how AI has done excellence, that is through India AI mission, what we have discussed earlier. Then Bharat Gen, it is a small language model which translates the languages of different regional languages we have. Then like that we can say Bhashini also there. Then national strategy for AI, that is AI for all, we have discussed it. Then India AI portal, India AI, which says about, now we see national strategy for AI. Ida ke launch karthile. We have seen Bharat Gen and national strategy for AI ida ke launch karthile. It is launched by Niti Aayog, done by Niti Aayog. Then India AI portal, it is been jointly launched by MEIT, MEITY and NEG. Okay? It is launched by, jointly developed by NEGD, that is National E-Governance Division, and METY, that is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, and NASSCOM. Now, for skilling and infrastructure, India AI skilling programs has been done. Okay, for personal tutoring, all this. Then a first agentic AI has been also introduced, that is agent Kruti. Okay, and it is launched by Krutim. अब ये कौन करे? It books the cab book कर परिवो, bill pay कर परिवो, all this. It is an agentic AI. Now, Bhashini, which you have earlier discussed. So this is all about the AI applications in computer and mass literacy. Now, initiatives taken by government of Odisha. If you are seeing how the initiative has been, how government of India has done, you have to see how government of Odisha has been transforming towards the AI ecosystem. So Odisha became the first state in India to launch a comprehensive AI policy in 2025. So Odisha AI policy has come to picture, that is Odisha AI mission. A budget it is a 885 crore budget, and it embeds the 41 government departments targeting healthcare, agriculture and education. Now there are 4 principles of it. Okay, 4 pillars or 4 pillars achieved. 4 pillars of Odisha AI policy 2025. The first pillar, if we say first pillar, it is infrastructure. First pillar is infrastructure. What it does, to provides GPU vendors or AI dataset repository like AI Kosh. Okay, dataset repository. Then second pillar would be the skill development. E skill development kimde habo. ओडिसा रे AI through रे स्किल डेवलपमेंट किन हबो देन थर्ड रे आसीबो हमरो एनर्जी स्मार्ट कंजप्शन पैटर्न्स को हबो माने फील करिवो and smart management of the energy sectors will also be there or the sustainable energy you can say how the sustainable energy can be taken place through the help of AI. Then regulatory framework, what will be the regulatory framework? It is provide data governance and cyber security through cyber security. Now, next is skilling and innovation. Skilling and innovation, we can see through here that is Odisha for AI and AI for Youth. These are the two programs which has been taken. So, Odisha for AI hoji, it is a 4-hour course or a self-learning program. Self-learning program. How it kebe launch hitila? It was launched in I guess 2023. Launched in 2000 sorry 2003. It was launched in 2003. Now then AI for Youth 2003 रे launch ହେଇଥିଲା and what it gives AI for Youth रे कौन हबो ये सब schools अच्छी like 5 schools it will be transformed to AI curriculum right now and even in Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya okay ये जो AI for Youth रे हमें 5T schools and Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya be integrated with AI curriculum, full curriculum. Okay, curriculum. Now, in education, here Sarvam AI partnership has been done. That is AI in school curriculum. This is all about the AI and how it has been used in our day-to-day life, in our healthcare, in our governance sector, in our education sector, and in different technologies. So this is all about the India and AI. India with how India has been moving towards the AI revolution. So this is all about. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video.